Hello guys! So for today, vlog style muna tayo. Ngayon nandito tayo sa Green Hills. For some weird reason, kasi bigla akong nag-crave ng laptop. Sabi ko, parang gusto ko ng laptop kasi wala pa akong laptop. So ngayon maghanap tayo ng murang used or brand new na lower model ng MacBook. Kasama natin yung mama ko yung nag-video. So far, wala kaming nakikita sa taas. Ano yung pinakamura natin? 35?
35.
Kaso walang box. Charger lang, may konting chip, tapos 80% yung battery. So far, parang hindi maganda yung used market dito sa Green Hills ng Air. So tatry natin mag-check ng brand. Then napadpad nga kami dito sa bridge area sa taas ng Green Hills. So dito sa kiosk na to, may nakita akong M4 16GB 256 na used. So nagtanong ako kung magkano, and the price is already far from the brand new, pero I still tried to haggle but ayaw mag-budge ni ate. So naghanap pa ulit kami. Found this kiosk sa may bandang likod that offers the same model and specs. It is priced a little bit higher than the first shop, so I still tried to haggle kasi syempre second hand pa rin yan, used, pero complete naman. As you can see, we're actually checking the warranty here, and covered pa siya for almost a little bit of few months in for 2026, but hindi kami nagkasundo sa presyo, and you can still hear us trying to check the laptop and such.
Wala namang box na eh. Kasi lahat ng nagbibenta sa box eh. Kasi
Nagkatotoo nga. Alam niyo ba guys, dapat talaga may titignan lang kami talaga sa may Cavite.
It happens, most of the time it happens.
Sino ba nagyaya dito? Ako ba ikaw?
Ikaw.
Ako yung nagyaya. Tapos sabi ko, tingin lang.
Oo, tingin lang. Ako, sige, tara, baka may mabili. Pero nga.
So ending, napunta pa rin kami dun sa first shop, dun sa may bridge area, and we were able to get it from the price na hinagel ko. I know, but shout out to Sisker Telecom for being a sport, and nalaman ko na nagva-vlog din pa sila about selling items. So this is me having the newly purchased MacBook Air. Success ba tayo?
Success.
So nakabili tayo. Hindi nga lang midnight, sky blue, pero nakabili tayo ng MacBook. May sumpa talaga tong tong Green Hills. Sabi namin titingin lang, nakabili. At may kukwento ko sa inyo kasi sobrang good deal yung nabili namin.
kukas yung cream yan.
Crap. So as I previously stated last time, I bought a new laptop, and the brand new price of this in Shopee, Lazada, or even store is around 54, 55, mga ganun with voucher na yun. I bought this for around 46,000 pesos. This is 6 months old used. Baka nga hindi